The art of installing large format porcelain tiles from start to finish. Introduction. Large format porcelain tiles, such as 6120 centimeters, 8160 centimeters, or even 122-140 centimeters, have become increasingly popular in modern floor and wall design due to their luxurious appearance, minimal grout lines, and ease of cleaning. However, working with these large sizes requires high skill, specialized tools, and precise techniques to ensure stability and a flawless finish. Stage 1. Full surface preparation, surface inspection, before installation. Make sure the surface is 100% level, using a laser level, free of dust and debris, solid and consistent, with no loose or weak patches. Surface treatment. If there are dips or slopes, level them using a cement-based screed. It's highly recommended to apply a primer or bonding agent to improve adhesion between the tile, adhesive, and the substrate. Stage 2. Essential tools for large format tile installation. Laser. Level 4. Perfect alignment. High quality. Flexible porcelain, adhesive for example. C2TE or C2TES1. Leveling system clips and wedges. Notched trowels, 10 millimeters or larger. Rubber mallet. Tile spacers, 1.5 millimeters or smaller depending on design. Professional tile cutter, manual or electric. Suction cups for safe handling of large tiles. Stage 3. Choosing the right adhesive must be a flexible adhesive designed for heavy and large format porcelain tiles. Double buttering method is recommended. Apply adhesive to both the floor and the back of the tile. The consistency should be smooth, and creamy nut to runny end must provide strong bonding before drying. Stage 4. Planning and layout. Design layout. Start by determining your reference line, either the room's center or a key wall. Use the laser level to mark precise layout lines. Do a dry layout by placing tiles without adhesive to assess spacing and potential cuts. Measurements. Take accurate measurements of the entire area, including cutouts for columns, doors, or built-in appliances. Stage 5. Applying adhesive and placing tiles. Double spreading technique. 1. Spread the adhesive on the floor using a notched trowel in a consistent pattern. 2. Apply a thin layer of adhesive on the back of the tile. Back. Buttering. Point 3. Use suction cups to lift and position the tile precisely into place. Leveling after placement. Use the laser level and a straight edge to check flatness. Tap gently with a rubber mallet to ensure full adhesive coverage and eliminate air pockets. Tile leveling system. Insert clips and wedges between each tile to prevent lippage height differences. Maintain proper spacing throughout. Stage 6. Continuing the installation. Install row by row or line by line, depending on the layout. With each tile, make sure it is flat and aligned. Ensure adhesive is still workable. Before placing the tile, prevent tile slippage during curing. Warning: do not attempt more than 4 to 5 large tiles at once if you're working alone or without a leveling system. Stage 7. Curing and monitoring. Let the floor cure for at least 24 hours before walking on it. After 48 hours, remove the leveling clips carefully without damaging edges. Inspect joints and correct any imperfections before they fully set. Stage 8. Grouting the joints once adhesive is fully cured. Fill the joints using porcelain-specific grout in a suitable color. Use a rubber float or sponge to press grout into the joints without smearing the tile surface. Wipe off excess grout before it dries. Stage 9. Final cleaning and finishing. Wipe the entire floor with warm water and mild detergent. If the porcelain is absorbent, apply a stain-resistant sealer. Double check all grout lines, edges, and transitions for completeness. Expert tips from professional tilers. 1. Large tiles require teamwork. At least 2 workers to lift and place tiles safely. 2. Don't rely on eyesight alone. Always use a laser level. 3. Be fast and organized. Adhesive can dry quickly, so work efficiently. 4. Inspect each tile before installation. Skip any with cracks or defects. 5. Include expansion joints, especially in large spaces, to allow for movement. Conclusion: installing large format porcelain tiles is not simply about placing oversized tiles. It's a craft that demands planning, the right tools, material knowledge, and precision. At every step, each phase from surface prep to grouting affects the final result. The key to success lies in patience, craftsmanship, and adherence to professional standards.
شوف اللي كي كتركب شوف هاي صحابك كنلعبوا هنا داك الشيء باللازر ها الا ما كاينش اللازر ما كاين والو واخا كيبان لي يعبد ما جاش شد هذاك اللازر
غيتحرك سيدي يجي سمع هاي
وعاد انا ما نعرفش عليك داك الشيء باللازر انا قالت لي اللازر علاش لا ما تعرفش عليك اسيدي
حيد من هذه فوق من هذه راه كترجع حيد
انا ندير لك اللازر وخدام
ما تقلدوش صافي كاع
دابا انت دابا هذا خدام
قلدتو علاش بغيت نقطع
خدام معاه ويغوت علينا دابا هذا
15 سنتيم هنا
كم ندير لك 15
ايه مالا
انا عندي واحد صراحه
ويلا تجي تما